Okay, so we're on the V4 Tuono, nice and comfy, straight bars, sounds amazing. And this is actually the factory version in all black with a hint of gold, very nice. So we've had a lovely lunch, nice pizza truck came and had a lovely pizza margherita, and now we're on the V4 Factory 1100, the Big Daddy, the V4 Factory, with all of the lovely Öhlins semi-active suspension, Brembo brakes and everything thrown at it. And with it having straight bars, more upright, a lot more comfier than the sport bike version. Very nice. A lovely quick shifter and blipper. Oh my god, she moves. Woof. Awesome sound from that pipe. I think the best sound though comes from the RS660 that we rode just before this, and just the induction noise from the airbox on that bike was tremendous. Lovely. Tremendous, absolutely tremendous. Now the question is the 1100 Factory too much power for the road? It's one of them things, isn't it? It's only as fast as you twist your wrist. Oh, what a sound. What a machine. Oh, beautiful. You'd definitely lose my license on this thing. I think the Aprilia V4 engine, the sound of this thing, actually on the RS660, pretty comparable to the Yamaha R1 top two engine noises on the planet. But the R1 or the MT10 crossplane engine. And these two, absolutely beautiful. Oh, she pulls. The chassis on this thing and the suspension with that semi-Öhlins active suspension is something else. And very comfy, just with those straight bars. It's a little bit further forward, seating position, crouched forward than my MT10 SP, but very nice. Okay, I think we've got a cameraman going up the road to get ready. You want to go in front of the Beamer? Yep. Well, I feel very privileged to have come on this bike test ride arranged by the Piaggio group. Thank you very much. And hope that cameraman got a good picture of me. So we'll just regroup just up the road just here and then head off once the others catch up. Okay, so we're nearly back at Silverstone, but it's safe to say that the V4 Tuono 1100 Factory is an absolute beast. Okay, so it's been an amazing day down here at Piaggio and taking out some of these bikes. I hope you've enjoyed the video and the rides on some of these. What we'll try and do is we'll get some of these bikes for a long-term loaner and take you through them, all the specs, and also get more of a sort of time in the saddle to use them. So thanks again Piaggio UK for the invitation to come down today and test some bikes. It's been incredibly exciting, it's been incredibly fun, and yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell for future videos coming up, and we'll catch you on another one soon. Take care guys, cheers.